In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the upper control arm on your INFINITI G35. This includes a ball joint. Using a 21mm socket, remove the 5 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Remove the cotter pin out of the ball joint. Using an 18mm socket, remove the nut off of the ball joint. We're going to thread it back on just a few threads so that when we hit this and release the ball joint out of the knuckle, it doesn't totally fly off. Using a 14mm, we're going to undo the bolts on the inside. Remove the bolt for the control arm. And do the same thing on the other side. And remove the control arm. I removed the 2 inner rubber spacers from the old arm. I'm going to install it on the new one. And I'm going to install the arm. Line the holes up. Install the back bolt first, then install the front. Take the nut off the ball joint. Remove the plastic ball joint holder. Install the insert onto the ball joint and then insert it into the knuckle. Put your nut on. We're going to snug it down. Snug down the upper control arm bolts. With your suspension jacked up, torque your upper control arm bolts to 50 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench in here, do the best you can. Torque the ball joint nut to 47 foot-pounds. Then up to an additional 60 degrees or until you can fit a cotter pin through one of the slots on the nuts. Insert your cotter pin and then bend it around. If you have any extra, you can just snip it off. Install the wheel. Start your 5 lug nuts. Snug all the lug nuts down. And we'll torque them on the ground. Torque your wheels to 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Once you're done with this job, take your car to a local shop and have them do an alignment.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.